What do you do other than bounty hunting?
I'm an animal catcher.
Do 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 do.
It's Keith, the bounty hunter, sniffing bananas and dancing. That's what bounty hunters do.
What's your most memorable animal case?
That would be the case of the mountain lion.
Oh, really? Why don't you tell us about it?
One evening, I was home alone, just hanging out, doing some bounty hunter stuff, off the clock.
No, you're the best bounty hunter. Yes, you are.
I got this strange call from some French man. He needed some help.
Jack, loose. Kid, I need you right now. There's a freaking mountain lion. Wait. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, Keith. We're on our way. I'm on my way. Bye. I'll see you later. Can't take my gun. Where's the mountain lion? Christ on a cupcake. He's dead. I'm gonna kill you, some bitch. Pow! 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 I'm gonna kill you, some bitch.
Did you ever catch the mountain lion?
No, got eaten.
Nice job, looking.
Hey, get in my spotlight. Oh, dog. You're gonna be next.
Meow.